Hello guys, what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to set up and use Tonkeeper. This is pretty much a general overview for beginners and how to use this app. Now, how do you use Tonkeeper? Of course, you need to go to your laptop or your computer. Now, this is also available in Google Play Store, as you can see here, and Apple App Store. There you go. But we are going to do this on the desktop or if you have a laptop. So just on Google, just search for Tonkeeper. It's going to be the first option here. As you see here, Web Tonkeeper Pro Privacy Policy, just click on Tonkeeper Wallet of Ton. Tonkeeper is your very personal wallet. Receive, buy, and spend crypto with ease. As you can see here, these are the options: Tonkeeper iOS, Tonkeeper on Android. So you can do it with Google Play, which is your standard app, or you can just download the APK of the app. Tonkeeper Pro is for premium, and you can also use Tonkeeper on Telegram. So how do we do this? Of course, you just need to Three, two, one. So how do we get Tonkeeper on your desktop? We already know how to get it on your mobile devices on Telegram pretty much. So we go back, and here what we want to do is we go to Google Chrome store, Google Chrome extensions. There you go, and you will be going to the Chrome web store and just search for Tonkeeper. There we go, Wallet of Ton. So this is going to be it. As you can see, it's already installed. Everybody knows it's very easy. Only takes a couple seconds to install any extension, and once it's once Tonkeeper is installed on your extensions, click on this. It says extensions. If you hover it, click on this, and this pop-up will appear, and then just look for Tonkeeper. As you can see here, it is here. And what you want to do next, this is what you're going to see. So you're going to see welcome Tonkeeper. Click get started. So let's click get started, and here you can opt to get a new wallet, get an existing wallet. You can pair with your Keystone or pair with your Ledger. For this, for intensive purpose of this video, we're just going to do the wallet like this. And here you're going to be generating your new wallet. Grab a pen and paper. This is going to be your codes, right? So let's just copy, screenshot that, so that we could check that out. So let's open that. Now it's open, so click continue. So it's going to ask you for random numbers of your secret word. So 4, 11, 22. Let's go 4, strong, peace, unusual. Strong, peace, unusual. Then click continue, and you're going to be asked for a password. So let's just do that, and then that, and then you're good to go. So now you've logged in to your Tonkeeper. Let's go back to the app, and as you can see, it is now your wallet, and you're going to see the main cryptocurrency of Tonkeeper, of course, is Ton. And as you can see, it is now down. So there are a few options here that we need to go over. You have your buy, send, receive, swap on your wallet, and you have your history here. So if you buy or if you received cryptocurrency, this is where you're going to see your records, and then you can click on browse to see what's up. So digital nomads, you can see exchanges here, you can see DeFi, you can see NFTs, and other utilities. So if for example you want to check out all utilities, just click on all, and you're going to see pretty much everything here. Now before we go, there's your settings, by the way, before you go back, and you have your recovery phrase. So click on this, and then you just need to enter your password. So do that, and now you're going to see your recovery phrases, right? And then you have your active address, security, connected apps. You can also sign out if you want to sign in for a new wallet. And then your currency, you can set it for whatever. If we're on USD by default, if you want to go euro, it's going to be euro, or whatever available cryptocurrency here. But let's go back to US, and then address update. And if you want to, if you have any issues, just click on support, and we're going to be brought here. So on Telegram, as you can see, support of Tonkeeper is via Telegram. There you go. Now let's go back to Ton again. Right. So in your wallet, right? How do you buy cryptocurrency? So of course, click on buy, right? And you're going to be shown a few options for your payment methods. You can do Mercurial, you can do MoonPay, Transact, and Changely. A lot of people use this. So for example, let's use this and then click on Open MoonPay to show this again. And you're going to be able to load up, you know, how much do you want? For example, let's buy 100, right? Or 200. Apparently 200 is the minimum. Click continue. And then you're going to ask for your email. And it's very straightforward, right? It's very straightforward. And then let's go back to, where is it? There we go. Tonkeeper. So that's how you buy, right? And then if you want to send, click on send. The address is going to be the wallet address, right? So if you've been using Phantom Wallet, we have a bunch of videos on there on there, and this, you know, for example, this is the address link, right? And then you can push comment like, okay, this is for your day, for example, and then just click continue, right? That's how you send something. Now to receive, it's the opposite. So you can use a QR code, or you can just copy your address and then send it to, for example, your Binance wallet. And you're gonna see. Let's go to send again. So this is what wallet codes look like for those who are new. And then you just send that to another person or yourself to your other wallet, so that your other wallet can send, for example, your Bitcoin wallet can send stuff to your Tonkeeper wallet. And then afterwards, what you want to do next is click on swap, right? So this is how you swap. For example, 1 Ton is equal to 750 USD. Or if you want to do this, you know, if you want to, for example, 100 USD, you're going to get 13.23 Ton, right? And there are 2 providers. The main one is Stone.fi or DDust, you know. And then it's very straightforward. It's just like any other wallet that we've covered that is available out there. So you can also click this swap settings. As you can see here, slippage, the maximum allowable difference between the estimated price and the actual price. If the price difference exceeds this limit, the swap will automatically be reverted. So you can also adjust and set your swap settings. You can do 1%, 3 and 5 and 0.5%, whichever you want. As you can see, it is by default on 1%, right? So that's pretty much how you swap. And that's it. It's very straightforward. It's very linear. That's pretty much how you use Ton Wallet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one.